In this video you will learn how to fix Instagram live not working or not showing up or not even eligible. Check your account eligibility. Make sure your account meets Instagram's eligibility requirements for going live, such as no restrictions, no guideline violations or policy bans. Update the Instagram app. An outdated app may cause lack of features. Go to the App Store and install the latest version of Instagram. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from going live or even the live option even appearing on Instagram. Switch to Wi-Fi or stronger mobile connection. Restart your device. Restarting your phone from a clear temporary glitch that may block your live feature. Log out and log back in. Sometimes refreshing your session can restore missing features, such as Instagram Live. Contact Instagram support. If live still doesn't show, report the issue through your settings. Help report a problem, as your account may need a review. Now you know how to fix Instagram Live not showing, not working or not eligible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.